So kita belajar chapter 1, Introduction to Accounting. Okay. So apa itu definition of accounting? Accounting is the art of classifying, recording and summarizing transactions and business events in monetary terms and interpreting the results to interested parties to enable them to make decision. Okay? The art of classify. You akan classify apa? You akan classify transaction tu into asset ke, liability ke, honest equity. Okay? Itu, classify itu. Record. You akan record apa? You akan record transaction tu into journal entry. You akan debit apa, credit apa. So that's why accounting is the art of classifying, recording and summarizing. Summarizing tu you all akan prepare financial statement lah. So you at the end you hanya akan nampak asset, berapa jumlah asset yang company you ada, berapa jumlah liability yang company you ada. You tak akan tengok detail tu. Okay, just summarizing transactions and business events in monetary term. Monetary term is duit lah, dalam bentuk duit. Of course kan, you all beli apa-apa gunakan duit, right? Tak kisahlah sama ada dia dalam dolar ke, dalam yen ke, apa-apa ke, asalkan monetary terms. Okay, and interpreting the results. Interpret tu, so you nampak, okay, oh company ni making a profit ke, loss ke, you boleh tahu. So you dah interpret daripada you punya statement. So nak senang ingat definition of accounting ni, CRS. Tak payah you buat CSI. Ikutlah asalkan ada. You tahu C tu stand for classifying, R for recording, S for summarizing, I for interpreting. Okay, ni lah definition. Kalau I CSI R, itu maksud accounting. So now kita go to objective or purpose of financial statement. So purpose kita buat financial statement ni is to provide financial information about an organisation that is useful to various users in making decision. Okay, kita nak bagi information pasal keuangan syarikat kita kepada various users. Users tu siapa? Nanti kita akan belajar. Users tu terbagi kepada dua, iaitu internal users and external users. Okay. Second objective is to help users assess the future prospects of business organisation. Okay, so daripada financial statement, contoh investor, dia akan tengok financial statement company you and then dia kata nak invest ke tak. So berdasarkan you punya financial statement, so dia akan decide whether to invest or not. That is the meaning of assess the future prospect. Dia boleh buat dia punya anggaran lah, expectation untuk you punya business. Oh, company ni boleh dapat a lot of profit, so of course dia akan invest. Alright. Third objective is for easier reference, as humans have limitations in memorizing large information. Okay, so accounting kan declassify, recording, interpreting and summarizing. So kalau you tak record semua tu, you takkan boleh ingat. Maybe lah ada, tapi it's impossible because you have a lot of transactions. Okay, so sebab itu bila kita buat financial statement is because easier for reference. Okay, reference to auditor, reference to shareholders. Okay, last is to avoid misleading financial statement if they are no proper records. Kalau you tak ada accounting ni, maksudnya you tak record daripada awal, bila auditor datang, okay, so of course you punya accountant akan manipulate je lah the figure, reka cipta. Okay, which is false. Tak boleh buat macam tu. That's why kita perlukan seorang accountant untuk buat dia punya financial statement supaya boleh tahulah all these objective tercapai. Kenapa kita buat financial statement? Okay, next kita akan pergi kepada type of business organizations. Ni pun selalu juga ditanya dalam exam. Okay, so kita ada 3 types of business organization that are sole proprietorship, partnership and company. So proprietorship ni siapa? So proprietorship ni peniaga kecil-kecilan, IKS. Contoh, let's say I buka kedai jual kek. So itulah I akan namakan Hasanah Enterprise. Kalau you nampak je enterprise, it means that dia ialah sole proprietorship. Dia seorang diri je buka bisnes tu. Itu maksud dia sole proprietorship. Betul tak satu orang je gambar. Okay, partnership lah tak dua ke. Lepas tu ada dua orang partner. Maksudnya dia mestilah ada lebih dari seorang members. Okay, owner dia mesti lebih dari seorang. So example dia akan buat Ali and Abu. Kalau you nampak ke Ali and Abu ke, so maksudnya business tu ialah partnership punya business. Last ialah company. Company dia ada dua, sendirian berhad dan juga berhad. Okay, so maksudnya dia ialah public company and dia ialah private company. Public company berhad. Kalau sendirian berhad dia ialah private company. Bila private company, maksudnya dia tidak wajib untuk publish dia punya financial statement to the peoples. Dia tak wajib. Okay, kalau public, dia wajib untuk bagi sesiapa saja untuk melihat dia punya financial statement. Itu perbezaan dia. Okay, so now kita akan pergi lebih detail lah. So proprietorship ni you all kena tahulah setiap ciri-ciri business type of organisation tu. Semua ni ada dalam part A MCQ. Okay, so kalau sole proprietorship, capital will be contributed by the owner. Ownership owned by one person. Management and control, managed and controlled by the owner. Liability, unlimited liability. Maksudnya kalau company dia tu rugi, so dia bila let's say government dah declare dia ni bankrupt. Bila dah declare company dia bankrupt, so dia wajib membayar semua hutang-hutang company dia. Untuk membayar, of course dia kena jual lah semua. Jual, kalau ada building, jual semua benda. Tapi kalau tak cukup, bila dah jual semua dia punya syarikat tapi still tak cukup, so dia kena ambil duit dia personal. Kalau contoh dia beli kereta untuk diri dia, dia kena jual kereta tu untuk bayar hutang syarikat. Sebab dia sole proprietorship. Okay, itu maksud dia unlimited liability. Hutang tu tak ada limit ke atas dia dan juga syarikat, sama. Kalau profit or loss, profit belongs to the owner and any losses incurred will be borne by the owner. Okay, kalau books and accounts dia no legal obligation. Tak ada lah proper, dia tak akan catat yang properly lah. Dia punya financial statement tu dia akan hire accountant lah. Okay, itu ialah sole proprietorship. So keywords dia ialah owner, seorang, sole, apa-apa je seorang. Okay, capital siapa yang contribute, owner tu. Loss siapa yang tanggung, owner. Profit siapa yang dapat, owner. Okay, tu keyword untuk sole proprietorship. Untuk partnership pula, okay, capital will be contributed by the partners according to the agreement. Okay, Partnership Act 1961 or Partnership Agreement. Adalah dalam agreement itu, okay, Ali akan contribute 60,000, Abu akan contribute 40,000, like that. Okay, capital tu lebih banyak lah daripada sole proprietorship. Sole proprietorship, owner sahaja akan contribute. Okay, manakala ownership, owner owned by 2 to 20 partners. Okay, maximum number of partnership ialah 20 orang je. Manakala untuk professional partnership, up to 50 partners. Okay, management and control, manage and control by partners or by a board consists of partners. Semua orang lah yang akan control dengan manage. Tapi kadang-kadang tu ada je silent partnership. Partnership ni ada banyak, but you all tak perlu tahu detail. Okay, like that. Just tahu yang akan di manage and control by partners. Takkanlah 50 orang partners, takkan 50 yang manage, tak. Okay, biasanya 5 orang je yang manage. Yang lain lah silent partnership. Okay, liability, it is unlimited liability kalau berdasarkan Partnership Act 1961. Tapi dia akan jadi limited liability Kalau dia ialah LLP, Limited Liability Partnership, ada dalam agreement tu cakap dah, okay, yang diorang ni ialah unlimited liabilities, diorang ni limited liabilities ke. Kalau unlimited liabilities sama dengan sole proprietorship lah. Okay, profit or loss shared by partners according to profit sharing ratio. So dalam agreement tu juga diorang dah statekan Ali will get 60% from the profit. Memang semua kena cakap dalam partnership agreement. Okay, and books and accounts untuk partnership pun no legal obligations. Okay, so now let's take a look at the limited companies. So capital is contributed by shareholders through purchase of shares. Ownership, okay, private company ialah sendirian berhadnya. Dia maximum shareholders dia hanyalah 50 orang sahaja. Okay, public company minimum 1 shareholders, and the maximum number depends on the amount of authorized capital. Okay, adalah dalam company tu berapa dia punya share. So okay, ownership dia pun maximum based on authorized capital. Management and control is managed and controlled by the board of directors. Liability is limited liability. Profit or loss paid to the shareholders in the form of dividend. Books and account must be kept and sent to the CCM, Companies Commissions of Malaysia. Ni semua I ambil dalam exactly dalam buku teks tau, page 2 and 3. So you all boleh refer dalam textbook. Semua pun dalam textbook. Okay, I just masukkan jadi slide sahaja. Okay, so now kita akan tengok pada users of financial statements. As I told you that there are two types of users, that are internal users and external users. So siapa internal users? Internal, nama pun dalam. Maksudnya di dalam company tersebut ada siapa? Of course ada owners. Ada owners, ada managers, ada employees. So these are the internal users that are using the financial statements. So owner, kenapa dia menggunakan financial statement? Because interested in the profit earned from their investment and the financial stability and growth of their business. Of course, kalau you buka business, you nak tahu berapa you punya profit. Company ni profit ke, loss ke? Okay, supaya you boleh sustainkan you punya business. Itu sebab owner nak tahu financial statement. Okay, managers, kenapa managers nak tahu financial statement ni? Needs information, has guidance in planning, organising and controlling the organisation and analysing the operations of the business. Okay, sebab dia nak buat planning. Okay, kalau macam this year dia rugi, so of course lah dia kena revise something kan. Takkanlah dia nak duduk dia takut yang lama. So dia kena revise dia punya, maybe dia punya product, cost of the product is too high. So daripada financial statement tu dia boleh buat planning dia. So dia boleh organize, dia boleh control. Okay, lastly is the employees. Kenapa employees pun nak tahu juga pasal financial statement? Sebab employees interested in the business ability to progress and expand. They look for steady employment. Okay, kalau you minta kerja pun, okay, I tak tahu lah you all, but kalau I pun, I nak bekerja dengan company yang stable. Bila you kerja dengan company yang stable, company yang besar, so of course you hope yang benefit yang diberikan oleh you punya majikan lebih tinggi. Okay, that in term of bonus, in term of allowance. So sebab tu employee pun nak tahu. Kalau macam kerja-kerja ni macam dah 3 tahun dah syarikat aku ni rugi, so macam nanti kan kena declare bankrupt, you tak ada kerja. That's why employees pun eager to know the financial statement of your company. Alright, so for the external users, who are the external users? External users maksudnya orang selain daripada you punya company organisation. Siapa dia? Creditors. You punya creditors or bankers. Okay, they're interested to know the ability of the business in repaying the amount owing to them. Diorang nak tahu you punya credit worthiness. Apa tu credit worthiness? Credit worthiness ni maksudnya macam, boleh tak you nak bayar hutang diorang ni? Kalau dia bank bagi loan dekat you, so dia mesti nak tengok you punya financial statement. Mampu tak syarikat you ni untuk bayar balik loan dia? Okay? Sebab tu dia perlu tahu, perlu tengok you punya financial statement. And then second user is the current and potential investor. Okay, diorang nak tengok financial statements to require information regarding the solvency and financial strength of the business. Okay, so investor kan, dia nak tengok, nak invest ni, takkanlah you nak invest kat company yang mengalami kerugian. Tak. Of course you akan tengok financial statement, akan tengok kekukuhan business tu boleh maju ke tak. Okay, kalau boleh, then you akan invest. Next, government. Okay, kenapa government ni sibuk nak tengok financial statement kita? Sebab government interested in the financial statements and reports of a business for tax purposes. Okay, contoh, this year you bayar kurang. Kenapa syarikat ni bayar kurang? Jadi tengoklah, oh, financial statement dia mengalami kerugian. So understand lah kenapa you bayar tax sikit. Okay. Lastly is consumers. Pembeli you nak tahu juga. Okay, they're interested in the establishment of good accounting controls as a means of reduction of the prices of the goods. Okay, kalau you syarikat yang besar, so you akan macam percayalah. Okay, kalau sebagai contoh macam perempuan lah. Okay, kalau perempuan sekarang kan semua pun orang concern pasal skincare kan. So nak pilih skincare pun, of course you tengok brand. You tengok company. Kalau terkenal, brand ni terkenal, so you akan cuba, you akan beli. Tengok review semua tu. Okay, that's why kita pun tengok juga financial statement. Tak adalah kita pergi Google dia ni untung ke rugi, tak. It's just that bila company tu besar, automatically financial statement dia is good lah, supposed to be good lah. Tapi ada je yang some of the good companies, they are just window dressing their financial statements. Okay, tapi you perlu tahu siapa internal users and external users of financial statement. Okay, next is the bookkeeping versus accounting. Apa perbezaan bookkeeping dan juga accounting ni? Kalau bookkeeping, dia hanya ada classifying, recording and summarizing. That's what bookkeeping. Bookkeeping ni ialah clerk lah, kerani. Kalau accounting ataupun accountant, diorang buat semua ni, classify, recording, summarizing, interpreting. Okay, itu je perbezaan dia. You nak tahu lebih detail, boleh baca, but these are the summarization. So next is the accounting cycle. Accounting cycle ni you kena, jangan salah lah dia punya urutan, selalu juga ditanya urutan tu. Okay, so mula-mula accounting cycle ni kita akan ada source document. Source document tu apa? Contoh dia ialah receipt. Kita akan dapat receipt daripada pembelian tu. Lepas kita pun dapat receipt, kita akan buat journal entries. Okay, from the source document kita akan buat debit apa, kredit apa. Itu ialah journal entries. Lepas kita pun buat journal entries, kita akan post into ledger. Okay, ledger tu kita akan masukkan dalam account lah. Contoh kalau kita beli kereta, so kita akan masuk dalam ledger kereta. Okay, ini kita akan belajar dalam chapter 4. This is chapter 4. This is chapter 3. Try balance pun chapter 4 ke 5, I'm not sure. Okay, financial statement you akan buat dalam chapter 6. Okay, tapi ini you akan tahu mula-mula source document, journal entries, posting to ledger, and then you akan masuk dalam try balance. Try balance tu maksudnya debit and credit tu kena sama, and then baru you akan post masuk dalam financial statements. Okay, itulah chapter 1. Okay, that's all for today. Thank you.